Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I do have a new product here from Nelson Rigg. It's not actually new, they've had it for a while, but it's new to me. I've never used these before. This is the Rigg gear line, the Trails End bottle holder. Works for fuel bottles or water bottles, whatever you want to carry in it, but should be super handy on adventure bikes, dual sport bikes, any kind of motorcycle actually, even bicycles and other things. But this here is the model RG1060. This one's still in the package. As you see, I already got one put on here because I want to make sure how to install it before I made the video. So I got two of them, went ahead and stuck this one on, and I think these are really going to be handy on the dual sport adventures. So let's take a closer look at it. Take this one out of the bag and I can show it to you. Okay, so we'll take this one here out of the bag. I've already, like I said, I opened the other one so I could go ahead and install it and see how it installs. We got some literature here with it. We'll put this in the saddlebag, good place for it. Got a sticker with it, some stuff on here. This here is our little thing showing it's a Trails End fuel bottle holder RG1060, and show some information about it right here. Okay, one thing cool about this one is it is made out of the Ultramax, just like Nelson Rigg. All their Rigg gear line is all made out of this Ultramax fabric, which is UV protected and super tough stuff. It does have set up for the molly. It does have kind of like molly webbing on it, or moly, whatever you want to call it. The top of it is like a roll bag, so it does roll. You put your bottle in there, and once you put your bottle in there, you can roll this up, depending on the length of your bottle, how much you'll roll it. And then just take this, just like a roll bag. It's just like a little miniature roll bag right there. This is nice and heavy duty right here, this material, so it's going to be tough and protect whatever you got in it also. It does include 4 webbing straps. It has the 4 webbing straps right here that you can buckle on right here and loop them through something to tie it down. It has a handle here on top. On the bottom here it has these 2 straps, which you can just unsnap these, run them through some molly webbing or something like that, run them through, and then you just snap it back on itself like right here. So the RG1060 is designed to hold up to a 30-ounce bottle, and a lot of people use the MSR fuel bottles. This is a MSR fuel bottle, and this bottle you can put gasoline in this, carry it on your adventure. This is an MSR fuel bottle. The cap is child-proof, so you got to push down on it. Fill this up with fuel, put your cap back on it, and you've got 30 ounces of fuel, which would actually go a long way, especially if you have 2 of these on your bike. You see this is a 30 ounce, but super lightweight aluminum, fits perfectly in these bags. I'll show you here. So inside the bag is our straps. These is our strapping material that we'll use to go on here if you want to use that style. Say if you are mounting this onto a rack on the back of your motorcycle, ATV, bicycle, whatever, you can use these straps and this buckle system here. So this thing, when you put the bottle in it, depending on the bottle, how tall your bottle is, that's how tall it's going to be. 12 inches with a 30-ounce bottle, it says. 3.75-inch diameter. So we'll go ahead and slide this bottle in here. Fits real nice all the way to the bottom. And then all we do is take this, roll it like so. Roll it till it hits the top right there. And I'll do it on this side here so you can see. Take it and buckle it on the bottom side like that, and now we should be good and sealed from a lot of dirt and debris. Now this is not watertight, of course. It does have a vent hole on the bottom, but it is made to protect it and hold it, and that should do a good job of that. Let's go ahead and take this thing and mount it on the bike beside my other one, see what it looks like. Okay, you can see here I already have this one mounted on, strapped on with 2 straps. A lot of the Rigg gear bags that is for the dual sport stuff or adventure line is going to have this molly webbing, and works great to hold these on and a lot of other things. But all we're going to do is take this, we'll do the first strap over here on this side between this rib and this strap between the next rib, and we feed these through. I'll probably speed up the video here so you don't have to watch the boringness of me feeding these through. There's my first strap. I'll put my next strap through this side. I think they designed this perfectly to fit these fuel bottle holders and hold them nice and snug. So after we got that, there's the 2 snaps on the bottom that these come from. and these will just bend over like this, snap onto it. A little bit tricky to get your fingers in there, but once you do it, it ain't going nowhere. Once you get the hang of it, it's actually pretty easy. Like that. Now they're both mounted on there. Okay, so now you take the camera here. You can see actually I got them both. This one hasn't got anything in it, but I could put another 30-ounce fuel cell in here, or smaller, or a water bottle, or a water container, metal container. Would work good for water, and they both fit on there. Look how solid that is. Very nice and solid. And like I said, you could use those straps for right here and strap it onto something else, but if you got this type tail bag, that's the perfect way to mount these. And you could carry an extra 60 ounces of fuel, which would be super nice out somewhere and you're getting low on fuel and need it. So there you go. Super simple. Just to stick these on. You can actually leave these on all the time and carry your fuel bottles in them empty or carry them full in case you're ready to go that way. But I take these saddle bags off. I don't leave these on all the time, but when I go on a trip or somewhere where I need more luggage, and I stick these on. And the way I do it is I throw them over the seat. Works real good. Keep my tail bag and my tank bag all the time. And this is all Nelson Rigg, all made out Ultra Max, every bit of it. Super good quality. And these bottle holders, along with all this stuff, have lifetime warranty, which is great for Nelson Rigg to do that. So you know that it's quality product if they're going to put that kind of warranty on it. I am just about ready for a big adventure now. So that is the RG1060 fuel bottle holders from Nelson Rigg, Rigg Gear. Thank you guys for watching. Click the thumbs up on this video. Check it out. I'll put this fuel bottle, put these bottle holders, the saddle bags, the tail bag, the tank bag, all this stuff in the link below where you can check them out on Nelson Rigg's site. And also, if you use my code Woodzman20, you will get 20% off, plus anything over $50 you're going to save on free shipping. So it's a super good time to buy. Good deal on this stuff. Now, I ain't not getting paid a dime for this. Nelson Rigg sent me this stuff to review. I really appreciate it. Really good quality stuff. I've used them for a lot of years now and never had a minute's problem. But thank you for watching. Check out the links. Click the thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Catch y'all on the next one. Ride on.